Hi, today we're going to be looking at a brand new robotic vacuum. This one is called the Xiaowa robotic vacuum. I'll be doing an unboxing video where I'll show you the features, and later on we'll do a short cleaning test and see how this robot does. So let's get started. Now I have the box open, so let's look at what we'll get. So first you'll get a user manual here. So let's open this and quickly see what this robot is all about. So it comes in Chinese, so it shows you the do's and don'ts and different stuff. So I don't think this has an English version. All of the information you see here is in Chinese, but don't worry, that's why I'm here. I'll show you how this robot works, and let's open and see what we'll get. And you'll get this all white robotic vacuum. Let me just bring this out, and the other stuff in the box. So you'll also get just this charging station that really looks like the Xiaomi robotic vacuum, the S50. I'm not sure if this is a copycat or not. We'll find out later on, and I'll do a separate video to compare this with the original S5 RoboRock. So lastly, you'll get this box here, and let's see what comes inside. You'll get a plug here. Should be the plug for the charging station, and you'll also get this cleaning brush. Again, this looks really like the Xiaomi. They have the same corrugated box here, the same box design. So I'm pretty sure this is a they copied it from Xiaomi, since Xiaomi is really successful. And now let's look at the robot itself. It has 3 buttons here on top. Let me just take off the camera from the tripod and show you the 3 buttons here. So this, I presume, would be the spot cleaning mode, the power, and the docking mode. And unlike the Xiaomi, this one doesn't have a laser guided sensor. And I'm not sure what this is. So but this is part of the bumper. You'll see that the bumper, it moves with the bumper. We'll see in the cleaning test how this robot navigates. And when you lift up this door, it reveals a bin, again, that looks like a Xiaomi. This robot looks really like the Xiaomi. It in fact shares some of the components of a Xiaomi robot vacuum. So there you go. It's a top view, and let's go underneath and show you what it looks like. And it looks like, again, the Xiaomi robot vacuum. It has the same brush design, the double V brush design, which means it has a squeegee and a bristle brush. We'll also get 2 rubber wheels, a caster wheel, and this side brush, single side brush on the left side of the robot. And you'll get 4 cliff sensors. If you want to learn more information about this robot, please check the link in the description below for the full review of this robot. This robot uses the same app as the Xiaomi X5 and the first generation Xiaomi. In order to download the app, you will need to scan this QR code written here on this quick start guide. So after you download the app, just click on add device, and the app will automatically detect the robot here. If you're having trouble connecting the robot and the app, you just need to press these 2 buttons to reset the Wi-Fi connectivity of the robot. So you just click on this icon here and just write the password of your Wi-Fi. After you've written down the password, just click on next, and the app will connect to the robot. So after you've connected the robot and the app, you're ready to use the robot now. So So here's an overview of the app. This is the home page of the app. So let's click on the Xiaowa icon. And this is how it looks like. So you'll have 3 buttons here on the lower portion of the app. So the recharge, cleaning, and standard. So this is the battery status, and to see the other options, just click on the upper right button, and you'll have options for the robot setup, timer. The timer allows you to schedule the robot to clean, so you can add, and you can schedule it on different times, 7 days a week. Other options include the cleaning logs. You can see previous cleaning cycles of the robot. There's also a Consumables and Maintenance tab. So this shows you when you need to replace the filter of the robot, the filter of the dirt bin, or the side brush, or the motorized brush. So it's a handy tool just in case these consumables need replacing. You'll also see a product guide. This acts like a user manual. So you've seen earlier in the video that this robot doesn't come with an English manual, so you just use this part for that if you need any information. And you have the remote control that allows you to control the robot manually. You also have the option to spot clean. Let's try to click this option. So you'll need to move the robot to a spot to spot clean. So this robot doesn't come with a zone cleaning option that the RoboRock has. And sorry about that. And you have the cleaning and the recharge. And let's go back. And that's about it. Before I start the cleaning test, I'll just have to weigh the bin just to give you an idea how much it weighs. So after the cleaning test, I'll be weighing this again full. So the difference would be the amount of dirt picked up. So let's just take off the bin.
Dust bin removed.
And it also has the same voice prompt as the S5. Let's just turn on the weighing scale. And let's make sure that it's in grams. And the bin empty would be 192 grams. For this cleaning test, I'll be using 40 grams of oats, powder, and dust. And I'll show you where I've scattered this robot just to give you an idea of what it has to work with. So here it is. Let's see how this robot does. Here's the area around the chair.
Starting with the cleanup.
can see that this robot left some powder residue here on this certain part of the room. As you look at the area around the chair, it has basically cleaned nearly everything here. On this edge, it did quite well. And here's another trouble spot, some powder residue here. And if you look lastly at this area, did a really good job. Okay, so let's check the bin and see how much this robot was able to pick up.
Dustbin removed. Please clean the filter.
So bin empty would be 192 grams. And let's see how much this bin weighs. So it's 228. So 228 minus 192 is 36 grams. This robot was able to pick up 36 grams of dirt, so which is pretty good. If you can look at how it looks inside, it's almost full. The bin is almost filled to the brim. And let's put it back inside the robot, and I'll give you my final remarks. This robot, I'm sorry if I mentioned in the beginning that this robot is a copycat of the Xiaomi. This robot is in fact a Xiaomi product. It's cheaper than the S50 RoboRock and the original Xiaomi, and it's a good alternative if you don't want to spend the amount of money that you will need to pay for the S50 RoboRock. It has the similar features. It doesn't have the real-time updates on the app. It will not show you the map, but at least you still have access to the app. You can still control this robot remotely. You can do scheduling with this robot at different times of the day, so you'll get that feature for much less. So if you have any questions about this robot, please feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.